Hello guys, it's Justin Duffy here, and today I want to show you my brand new fire alarms that I just got, not yesterday or not 4 hours ago. I literally just got these, so I'm gonna review these. So first, I got another Faraday Chevron. So this one has this. On this one, you can pull the handle. It's easier to pull. So yeah. And this one came with a latch too. Can you see it in there, guys? Hold on. Oh, whoa. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get it locked. Oh. Well. Okay. So yeah, I got that closed up. So I'll just reset it real quick. And so yeah, it's basically the fire alarm itself. So yeah. Moving on, we have the IFB-50. It's Silent Night by Honeywell. I've never seen that. All I've seen is Firelight by Honeywell. But anyways, so here's pretty much everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Wrong way. Okay, so yeah, so it's open now, as you can see. So there's the information and stuff. I don't know what this is. What is that? I don't know. But anyways, there's the battery, and here's the keypad and stuff, or whatever it is. Yeah, these wires. So I'll close that up. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. So yeah, I'm back. So our last fire alarm of the video, we have this system sensor smoke alarm, I think. I don't really know what it is. But safety security alert, I'm asking you something. Safety security alert, if you're watching this, I would really like you to tell me, what the model, comment down below what the model, anybody who knows the model number of this, please comment down below. So, yeah. So that's my alarm off. Here's my alarm off the bracket. So yeah, it's pretty much basically it. So, okay, so there's the key to that one. So that was basically it. That's all my fire alarm. If you please like and subscribe if you want to see more, and please comment down below. Also rate. But anyways, bye.